Now I am going to explain first normal form. What do you mean by first normal form? A relation or table is said to be in first normal form if and only if all the underlying domains contain atomic value and single value. Single valued means attribute has only one value, and atomic means we cannot further divide that value into subparts. We say a relation or table is in first normal form if all values stored in the relation or table are single valued and atomic. Relation and table both are same. First normal form places restrictions on the structure of relations. Values must be simple. Again, as you all know, a relational schema R is said to be in first normal form if and only if all the underlying domains contain atomic value. This is the definition of the first normal form. See this table. In this table, there are three attributes: imply number, imply phone, and imply degrees. Imply number attributes contain imply numbers. Imply phone column contains single valued phone, and third attributes imply degrees have multi-valued. Imply number 333 have 3 degrees BA, BSc, PhD, and imply number 679 have 2 degrees BSc and MSc, and imply number 123 without degree. Okay, but this table is not in the first normal form. According to definition of first normal form, a table is said to be in first normal form if column has single valued and atomic values. Here, this is not the atomic, this is not the single valued, multi-valued. So for this, we have to decompose this table into two tables. In one table, we should have imply number, imply phone, and in another table, we should have imply number and imply degrees. So now, if we want to keep our table in first normal form, we have to decompose this table into two tables. See here. First table is imply table in which we have imply number and imply phone. Second is imply degree in which again E number and imply degree. In this way, we decompose complex relation or table into two simple and well structured table, imply and imply degree. And if we join these tables, we will again get the original one. But these two tables are in first normal form. And by default, all the table is in first normal form. Whichever table we create, by default, that table is in first normal form. That's all about the first normal form. In my next video, I will explain second normal form. Thank you so much.